Welcome to my channel, Learn to Speak French with me. Apprends à parler français avec moi. Today, we are going to learn some phrases which can be used in a formal conversation with strangers, or it can also be used with people you meet for the very first time. So, how do you say nice to meet you in French? So you can see the word has also an E at the end in parentheses, which means that in French, when you address a girl, then we add the extra E. And if it's a boy, then you just don't add the extra E. But the pronunciation remains the same. So we say enchanté, nice to meet you, enchanté. Enchanté. The next phrase we're going to learn today is be careful, which in French is pronounced as attention. Attention. We already learned that if the last three letters are ION, the sound, the pronunciation is ion. So this is pronounced as attention. So, for example, if you were walking with a friend and you were about to cross the road and you want to tell them to be careful because maybe there are vehicles passing by and you're crossing, and then you want to tell them be careful, and then you can say attention, attention. Now, let's do a very quick revision of some of the phrases we've already learned. Comment allez-vous? Je vais bien. D'où venez-vous? Aller is to go and venir is to come. A new verb that we will learn to conjugate, which is a regular ER ending verb, because we know there are ER ending verbs, IR ending verbs, and RE ending verbs, which are a part of regular verbs, and then there are irregular verbs which don't have a certain pattern to conjugate. Je parle, tu parles, il parle, elle parle, nous parlons, vous parlez, il parle, elle parle. Phrase, table, impression, question, excellent, excellente. So excellent is when you address a man, and excellente is when you address a woman. If you find my channel useful, please do subscribe, like, share, and comment. That brings us to the end of today's video. Enchanté, attention, keep practicing everything that we learn, and hope to see you soon in my next video. Bonne soirée.